Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will be using Lucas engine oil stop leak to stop an oil leak in this 2000 GMC Sierra 1500 with a 4.8 liter Vortech motor. Now in the previous video, you can see the card above, I did a diagnostic on the oil leak and I've determined that more likely it's an intake manifold gasket. Now this vehicle is becoming a project truck for me. And in a few months, I'll be pulling the engine, doing a complete engine overhaul. I look forward to seeing that on Scott's Garage. But I need a temporary fix. It's leaking oil in the driveway. My wife's complaining, and definitely have to do something about it. And this really should be the temporary fix. I've used this before years ago, and it worked quite well. You can see the affiliate link below in the description. Now, this is a very thick substance. It's very stringy. I'll be putting some rubber gloves on, and you simply put it in where you put the engine oil in. It can be used for a variety of things. You can use it in your automatic transmission if there's a leak there, or if you have a hydraulic system like in a tractor, you can use this product in that as well to stop leaks. But anyway, let's get started. Show you how sticky this is. Just very sticky, very stringy. I'm sure that's how it works. It's 100% petroleum, but it's very thick. It mixes with the thinner oil and it just finds the areas where the oil's leaking and it stops it up. It's worked quite well in the past. See the Amazon affiliate link below. It gets a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. It's about $10 to $11 on Amazon. Now, it'll take a while of running this, probably a week or so to get to the final results. But I'll wrap this video up here in a couple weeks. It's been a week since I put the Lucas engine oil stop leak in this truck. Driven it a few times. One of the trips was a longer trip. When I parked it 2 nights ago, I put a rug underneath and I put the tire over it slightly to hold it in place. And normally that's where the oil leak is found. It looks really good. The rug looks clean from this angle and from the side. But let's start it up, back it up, and make sure. Okay, the rug is a garage rug. It's not perfectly clean or anything, but it doesn't have any oil on it. It's very, very clean. What you're seeing on the edges there is simply the rug is raised a little bit. Step down on it, it's fine. But anyway, there are no oil leaks on this. And my conclusion is that the Lucas engine oil stop leak works. It's worked in the past. It's worked on this vehicle as well. Now, I did another video on cleaning up the oil spill. It was quite a mess here. Please see the link in the card right here for how to do that. That worked out quite well. Now, if you got any value at all from this video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. If you're not subscribed to Scott's Garage, please do so. We'd love to have you as part of the channel. And as always, have a great day.